Hi everyone! Today I'll show you how to make this cute bookmark from recycled cardboard. The materials for today's project are scissors, a pencil, a black marker, glue, string or thread, and a hole punch. Also a recycled cardboard box. In this case, it's a Coca-Cola box. Now, join me in creating something unique, beautiful, and useful, made from cardboard we thought was trash. Step 1. Draw and cut out the large hearts. I suggest you choose a solid red color for one of the hearts, without any decoration. We'll put the dog's paw there. And for the other heart, the one on the back, find an area of cardboard with decoration you like. That was easy to make, wasn't it? Step 2. Now let's make the dog's paw. The first thing is to make a small heart that corresponds to the inner pad. For this, let's select an area with black. Now, take a black smudge-proof marker and color the edge of this mini heart. Let's continue with the small pads. Pay close attention to the step-by-step instructions. See how the paw is gradually coming to life. And it's time to glue. Oops, I made a mistake. I'll fix it later, you'll see. Okay, I've corrected it. See how this detail can make all the difference. Okay, let's move on to step 3. Glue the 2 large hearts and the string. Watch closely how I do it. We're almost finished, don't miss it. Step 4. Draw and cut out the medium hearts. Next, trace a line along the outline of the template with a pencil, and then cut along the marked line with scissors. I'm going to give it a distressed look. For this, I'll use the edge of my scissors. We're almost finished with our bookmark. Step 5. Glue the 2 medium hearts together and join the pieces with the string. Time for the finishing touches. The bookmark is ready to accompany many readings. Thank you for creating with me. See you in the next creation.